subscribe ku samee channelka sidoo kale gambaleelka furo si video walba uu kugu soo dhaco mahadsanid.
هلو السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آله إبراهيم إنك الحميد المجيد. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. هلو أمريكا. هلو أمريكا. هلو أمريكا. I am Somalian women. I am Somalian victim women. I am Somalian victim women. Who gonna victimize me? Somalian man. Hello America. Hello America. I am Somalian woman and I'm American citizen and I'm victim. Who gonna victimize me? Somali man. I cannot silent. I am not be quiet. I am speaking up because my uncle raped me. My uncle raped me and I was 6 years old. The time I was a child, I am victim. You say Bisinka? You say Bisinka? If you know the Bisinka, why you rape the women? Why you rape the child? Why you harassment to the women? Guys, today I'm MMS. I am naked. You believe in I'm naked? No, this is not a naked. This is not a naked. Still I have my stuff. You know, you cannot see my titties. You cannot see, right? But I am victim. I am victim. The time I was 6 years old, my uncle raped me. Again, the time the year I'm 6 years old, my teacher teach the Quran as a religion. Today is a Friday. Open your eyes, guys. The time I was 6 years old, my uncle raped me. And the time I was 8 years old, my teacher teach the Quran. He gonna rape me again. And my other teacher, the time I was 9 years old, my other teacher raped me. And again. And my mama, she's single mom. And I don't have a right to speaking up. And I married 15 husbands. And after that, one guy, he's not my boyfriend and he's not my husband. He say, this child is my child, it's my son, but he's not his dad. But he lying to me. I'm crying 15 years. And finally, I sit there with that guy, my family and his family. And he say, I never sleep this lady. I never married this lady. She's not my girlfriend. I'm lying to her. No one say anything. Somali community, guys, you like it for hiding everything. It's enough. It's enough. I cannot be quiet. Guys, you know, I bring the Somali man in Africa. He is my husband. I bring it to the United States. 3 times I go back to the Africa. He cheat me. The time he is in Africa, I bring it to the States. And what he gonna do it? He cheat me and he left it the time he stay, the time he stay 1 year for me. He broke my heart. And I'm single mom. I have 3 young children. And 2016, the time my kids they growing up, I try to be talking about my life, my history. And I go to social media. And social media people, they harassment to me more than anything. They say she crazy. They say she is, you know, a lot of things. I am not a crazy, but I am victim. I am victim. Many times Somali people, I can tell you, if I speak English, even my heart know a lot of English. Because I am victim. The time I'm talking about my life, Somali man they try to be silent for me. And I never accepted that. I never accepted that. They try to harass me. They gunshot my son. 3 gunshots they burned my son. They slashed my tires. 3 times they try to kill me. Because who gonna victimize me? Man. They hide it for all stuff is for Somali people, they can do that. A lot of young generation, a lot of men, a lot of women, they call me. They victim. But they can't talking about this. 2 years and 1 month, 2 months, I talking about social media, but I'm speaking of Somali language. Enough is enough. I cannot speak Somali language no more. I try my best. How I gonna speak English? And you know what I mean? I can try. Hello, America. I've been United States, but I am victim. Hello, America. I'm American citizen and I'm the woman. I come to this country, refugee. My country has a lot of problem. Women doesn't have a right. Children doesn't have a right. Man is living in United States, Europe, Australia. For Somali man, still they believe in I've been in Somalia. I'm not been Somalia. I am been the state in United States. God bless America. God bless America. I'm American citizen and I am victim. I am American citizen and I'm a victim. And Somali man, they gonna victimize me. I need help. I need help. They wanted to be silent. And I'm speaking for a lot of Somali women, a lot of Somali child, a lot of Somali men. Even they don't have a voice. I am voice for the victim people. Hello in America. I've been America, but I'm victim. I cannot be silent. I cannot be silent. I'm becoming homeless because they close my YouTube. Somali man say Daesh, and he live in America. That is unbelievable. That is disrespect. They harassment to me. My children, they victim, and I am victim. Hello.